at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe, I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe, you don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Guys, today I'm on my Ultra. We're just gonna be riding around. Got my friend on my LBX. The little nub on his brake on his X3 snapped off. That holds the caliper from moving around. So now he's riding my light beam. The other day, I was racing Starks and I was keeping up. I was keeping up with Starks. Like the 60 horsepower, we're keeping up really good. And then the 80 horsepower, he took it, but we have around the same top speed. A Stark goes 86 and I go around 80. So the stretch is pretty long. Sorry I didn't film, I didn't have a GoPro. And then my motor actually did really good on temperature, but that's probably because it's not fully tuned up. Like my battery with my battery can push around 28-30 kilowatts, but my motor is my limiting point. So I might get a Vtb motor, I don't know, maybe. In the clips when I do a hand drag, I never actually touched. I was just super close and I never learned how. But now I can actually touch. My bad. So we're going back to the jumps right now. We've been hitting a lot of jumps. I'll send a few. Hopefully there's still daylight out. I had to wait for this kid to get dropped off, so. Check him out, LBC. On Instagram, it's like lbc.4j4din. J4din. I'll put it up on the screen. Stay tuned, the Christmas vid. It's gonna have insane quality. Oh, and I found a new audio. Let me know if you guys like it. It takes so long to find the audios for not copyrighted. And then I got monetized, but I'm only getting partially paid. That's probably why you guys don't see that many ads. I think they put it as like, but like the advertisers supposedly won't want. YouTube said there's dangerous activities in my video, which I don't think so. But the advertisers won't want that, so that's why there's not many ads. So I hardly get paid off any vid. It's like a few cents a vid. But yeah. I've been in mode 3 this whole time. Bro, it gets dark way too early. It's 5:10 and it's already almost dark. Next video, I should definitely, let me know if you guys want this, a Vtb test, range, how it performs and all that. Because I love how it performs. This is like the best controller. I mean, I know there's torque, but look at this display, bro. I don't think you could beat it. Oh, and the regen thumb throttle. And I had a 250 millimeter Ripon Moto rotor that I put on my LBX with the MT5. I had to space it a lot, but holy, it performs so good. Like, he's riding it right now. Bro, it's so touchy. There's barely any pull. It's like a moto brake. And because the rotor's thicker, it's 250 millimeters, a floating rotor, it looks better heat dissipation, all that. And the 3 millimeters makes it way more better. It's for a moto brake, but it came with the set of wheels I bought, and I was like, why not just throw it on, see how it feels? And then I might get like the EVR brake, moto brake. That should come soon, probably after Christmas. This is so much fun. Watch. We can cue the music. My fender. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching the vid and stay tuned. Peace out.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22.